Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a pin share, a Disney pin share. It's a wishable haul that I did, and I bought a collectible pin pack, and so there's 5 random, it says 5 randomly selected pins, and these are the pins that you are able to try to get, and the pins in the collection. So there are a few that I want. I do want the pirate. I do want the oh, it'd be fun to get the Briar and the bunny. Who am I kidding? I like them all. I'll be happy with whatever I get. But yeah, I did buy this off of somebody on eBay. They shop for Disney stuff. It's called Kingdom Shoppers, and it's from eBay. And so let's see what 5 random wishable pins I have gotten. And they're like out of 16, yeah? I just like to say aloha to any new subscribers that are joining us, and welcome, and welcome back to my current subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support that you give the channel, for the encouragement. We'll just cut it. I was having issues. Okay. I don't know if they're individually, let's see, individually, oh, they are. Okay, good. So there's 5 of them. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I'm excited. So again, out of 16. Okay, so I see my battery light blinking, so we might have to redo it, but let's see what we got. Oh my gosh! We got the bride. I think she's the bride, yeah? The bride from Haunted Mansion. How's her axe in her hand? Oh, so we got that one. Let's see the next one. Oh, we got the bunny. I don't know her name. Maybe it doesn't even want to. There she is. Oh, she's cute. So that's the second one. Oh, yes, we got the pirate. There's the third one. So 3 for 3, no doubles yet. No whammies, no whammies. Okay, let's see the fourth one. It's a different one. Oh, it's... that one. So this is a good pack. 4 for 4. And let's see this last one. It's the hat box. Yes, I love the pins I got. So all 5 unique pins. Yes. So yeah, I might purchase another wishable pack, because you know I do want to complete the collection. So we have 16 total, so we have 11 more to go. But yeah, so thank you for joining me here today. Hope you guys are having a great day, and like the video if you do. Look for more videos here, and until my next video, shakas.